Right? We're going to do a quick one of those. Everybody ready? All right, here's the exercise. First thing. I'm going to ask you a series of questions, then I'm going to give you these other two. You ready? Let me just take this off of here and walk around like Dr. Tony Evans. All right. Question number 1. What do you want? What do you want? You write all these questions down for me, please. What do you want? Now, this cannot be some generic to change lives. What does that look like? How many people? To say to change lives is like you saying, if I told you, hey, y'all, I want to teach you for 2 days. All right, I'll see you there. Marcus, where? What time? What's the location? When you say, what do you want, it's that generic. I need a specific. What do you want? Let's take a second with it. Can y'all give me some music that make me feel good? Give me a little old school butterfly slash. Nah. What do you want? Question 2. What do you have to know to get it? What do you have to know to get it? I always ask people, what don't I know that I need to know, and if I knew it, I'd make more money? Say it one more time. What don't I know that I need to know? If I knew it, I'd make more money. What do you want? What do you have to know to get it? Number 3, you ready? Come on, let's go old school church. What do you have to do to get it? Come on, act like you flipping through your scriptures. Turn to the book of when you got it, say I got it. I got it. What do you have to do to get it? Number 4, what do you have to invest to get it? How much do you think it's going to cost you? How much is this going to cost you? You don't reach 7 figures on a $100 investment. You don't reach seven by 3-figure investment, 2-figure effort. What should you start doing immediately to get it? Like right now. Like, hey man, on the break, I'm doing this. Hey, I'm gonna go. I'm all in, I'm gonna go. Hey, excuse me 1 second, bro. I gotta get it right now. Who feeling like that right now? You're like, I gotta get it. Yeah, I gotta get it. Like, bro, okay, I vibe with this. You only on mindset, but bro, I'm gonna go. Like, I know I got some go-getters in here that don't settle.
Run that last one back.
What should you start doing immediately to get it? Immediately. Last one. What should you stop doing immediately to get it? If I knew now what I knew back then what I knew now, I would have saved less and paid myself less and invested more. I promise you I would have. I could have got there faster. I was too cheap. I was way too cheap. Conferences I didn't go to, I looked at the plane ticket. I broke that fast, but it was like I was too cheap. The rooms I needed to be in, I wasn't in. The stages that I spoke on were people that couldn't afford where I was trying to go. I had maxed out on my audience. My biggest shift from Win the Day to the Monetize Online Business Blueprint, I realized I needed a new message and a new room. Please don't miss this. There's nothing more powerful than when a voice finds its ears. There's nothing more powerful than when a voice finds its ears. There is ears that need to hear your message. You got to find it. I've been teaching the same stuff. Selena could tell you, I was the same way back then in front of the wrong audience. A $30 investment frustrated me and them. I wanted to teach more. They wasn't ready to learn it. My voice hadn't found his ears. My mentor said this to me, and then we're going to do one more thing. My mentor said this to me. He called me King or Stud, right? He said, a guy named Anthony Andrews. He said something powerful. He said, King, 5 years from now, you're going to be doing the exact thing you're doing now, and people are going to think you got it overnight. He said, and you're going to make more money, and you're going to be saying the same thing, but people are going to hear it completely different. He said, because you already have wisdom and the skill set that matches the level of money, you just don't have the money yet. He said, the moment you make money, people will hear it differently, but you're going to be the same person because that's how your heart is. He said, can I repeat it again? A few years from now, those of you that listen to me, you're going to be doing the exact same thing, and it's going to blow up. And people are going to say, it happened overnight. I committed to this journey October 10, 2010. I started learning funnels in 2015. We're in 2021. I have people that take a 4-week program and say, teach me everything you know. 2010. So people will literally meet you a year from now, as well as you're going to be doing the exact same thing. People are going to hear it totally different when you got a different set of results. Because people hear with their eyes sometimes. Did you catch that?